Good afternoon, everybody. This is Vincent Martone at MarineMax in Clearwater, and today I have the pleasure of taking you through a 2019 Sea Ray 290 Sundeck Outboard with joystick piloting. This one is equipped with twin 250 Mercuries. These are the new versions. On the swim platform, we have sea deck throughout, nice rear lounger, transom remote stereo. Here you have your cockpit wet bar with refrigerator, U-shaped seating that shows off the beautiful mocha interior, infinity woven vinyl carpet that easily snaps out if you want to do some water activities. Can show you inside the helm. Over here is the head, very spacious, freshwater sink, upgraded head interior, helm seat, there's your joystick, Simrad nav GPS unit already installed, lights all over this boat, lots of accent blue LED lights. Moving up to the bow, just absolutely spacious, as spacious as you can find on any bow rider. This is definitely a big bow rider. Coming back around, take a look, nice bimini top, bathes almost the entire boat in shade. Again, this is Vincent Martone at MarineMax in Clearwater, taking you through the 2019 Sea Ray 290 Sundeck Outboard. If you want to see more of these boats or hear more about this particular boat, call me at 727-536-BOAT, or you can reach me on my personal cell phone at any time, 803-760-0609. Thank you for joining me.